Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Unisuper account. In order to find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in unisuper.com.au and then press enter. This will take you into the official website of Unisuper. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the login button at the top right corner. This will now take you into the login page. Just go ahead and enter your username followed by your password. Once you enter your username and password, you can click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Unisuper account. In case you forget your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password button. And if you don't know your username, you can also click on the Don't Know Your Username button. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your Unisuper account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.